Hello everybody, we are going to do the WordPress website. Like we said, start in week 10. I upload, there is a document called a subdomain. It's a Word document. You can find your subdomain name in this page. Let me open it. You can find your name, and that is the BremsenArtStudentGallery.org. For mine is this Windy Acre Farm. So just copy this whole thing. When you find your name, your website, Apple C if you're using Apple computer. If you're using PC, Control C, copy this, only those two lines, and paste here. And there's a space in between. Delete this. This already been set up for you. And you type WP-me, hit enter. That's the beginning of the WordPress. I'll ask you the username and the password. By default, I set everybody's username is me, and the password is password. After you log in, you can go here, edit my profile, come all the way down. You can tap your first name, last name, nickname, and go all the way down. The new password, you can generate a password, which I did already for my Windy Acre Farm. So after you're done with this, I want to go to the plugin. Click install the plugins. Because we are using the Bluehost, which automatically installed this module marketplace, which I don't need it. Click this, and say deactivate it. After you deactivate it, you have to delete this. Otherwise, it's still working. Yes, delete these files. And another one I need to delete is Jetpack by WordPress. I don't need this. Deactivate it. Delete it. After you finish this, in your plugin, only 2 left, which is good. We are going to add more when this lesson going. After this, we go to settings, general, site title. My site title is Windy Acres Farm. The tagline, you can, if you want to call action, you can have the phone number, or you can see best farm. Set URL, everything here, and the time zone. I think ours East time is this. Okay, save change. Writing. Okay, nothing to be changed here. Reading. The front page display instead of your latest post, because as everybody knows, WordPress starts with a blog. So by default, they always say your latest post. Change to a static page. The front page, we will come back here later. I'm going to select the home page, but because I haven't added page yet, right now I can only choose the sample page, which I don't want it. I just leave here, just change to static page, and save change. Discussion. I don't want this default article, allow people to post, because it is a website, it's not a blog, so I don't want people give me comments. See. Okay, media. Okay, right now it's good. The promote link, I like to have the post name. Okay, so far this good. We change all the settings, and now we need to activate the theme. As we know, the theme is kind of like the template in Dreamweaver. So we are going to, there are thousands of themes, like some are free, some are not free, provided by different developers. So you need to look for the theme who is popular and also has the best documentation, which I found one is called Vintage. I really like them and I use them several times, and they are very responsible, and I think their head office in South Africa. I go here. See, if you want to use some free themes provided by WordPress, you can just click here, activate the 2015 or 2014. But for me, because school bought this vintage theme for you already, so I just click this, add new. From here, you can, if you like this theme, you can just choose install. But for my theme, I will just choose upload theme and choose file. This one I have already put in the week 10. There is a folder called WordPress download. There is one called vintage. Don't unzip this file because this needs to be zip file to upload it. Open, install now. And make sure you activate it. Okay, right now look, this one is the one I activate. Let's check it. Command C and open another new tab. Delete this. Windy Acre Farm, that is your template here already, okay? Then we go back here. Now it is our time to make this customized. We go to this vintage appearance. Right now I need to go to all pages. By default, there is a sample page. Oh, before I doing this, before I forgot, I need to go back to the setting. I believe it's here. Yes. A static page. Oh, haven't added page yet. I just double check it. It's still sample page. Very good. All pages, sample page. Okay. And like I said, before you start any website, you need a sitemap, which I did a sitemap for this WordPress website. Pages, add new. This is, you enter the title here, about us. And say publish. Okay. Go back to all the page. It's already there. Okay, add another one. Add new. Next one is pick your own new again. Special events. Publish. Add new. Products. Add new. Contact us. Add new. FAQ. New. That's drop down menu. July, August. Another one is October. That's the reason sitemap is very, very important. You don't have to, when you build your website, you don't have to rethink, oh, what should I add? What should I delay? So is everything been set it up? Okay. I think I finished all the pages. Let's check it. Okay, great. I have about us, contact us, FQ, July, August, October, PQ on, product, sample page, which I can delete this. If you want to delete any page, you can just click this trash. September, October, special event. Wonderful. So the next thing is I need to add those pages onto my navigation bar. How I can do this? Appearance, menu, the menu structure is all here. Home, about us, contact us. Okay, notice I need some to be sub-menu. Pick my PQ on. Okay, I just click and drag. Look, if I put them in the same level, that is not going to be drop down. I put them here. It's a sub item, and I need this to be sub item. And there is another one. I need this to be sub item. Okay, and now I feel like, you know, about us, contact us normally goes to end. I just drag and put it here. Special event. Special event goes before this. No, before this. Create a menu. Okay. So I will call this navigation. And notice after you click create a menu, you have some options here. Auto add pages. Well, you can choose this. This means if you add any page, it's going to be automatically add on your menu, or you don't have to do this. But this one is you absolutely need to do this. Primary menu. Same location. Okay, save menu. Let's check on this tab. Let's check. There you go. Right?
And this is awesome.
Okay. I'm glad you guys like it.
Wow.
Okay, after I finish this add menu, let's go back here. Standard reading, static page, from page. This we need to go to later page. Okay, you will notice, hey, where's my home page? Here it is. But different theme has a different setting on the dashboard. You get to, if you doesn't choose the vintage as your theme, you need to familiar with the other theme. For vintage, the home page is here. Appearance, home page. Install the page builder. That means I need to go back to my plugins. Install the plugins. Remember we talked about the plugin last class. Plugin, it is very useful. That gives you extended function to your WordPress website. I need several very important plugins. Add new. And you need to search the plugin. I believe the plugin I need, at least on the handout, it's called Black Studio Tiny Mice Widget. Need to search it. It's here. Every time if you search plugin, make sure you read this. How many people install this plugin? And is it like updated recently, or is it updated like 3 years ago? That means it's not good. So if a lot of people installed it and is updated recently and is compatible with your version of WordPress, that means it's good to use. Okay, just click install now. Active plugins. Look, it's here. And I need to add another one. Add new. Another one should call the meta slider. Yeah, it's this one, meta slider. Install active. Okay. The next one, I believe, is the page builder. Yeah, that's the one when we try to do the homepage. It said, sorry, you need to install the plugin, otherwise I cannot do anything for you. That's the page builder by Set Origin. That's the company actually provide us the vintage theme. That's the same developer. Active this. Next one is site origin widgets. Set origin widget. Sorry, I need to add new. Set origin widget. Okay. This one. Install it. Activate plugin. add new. So the next one I need is contact form 7. Okay, it's here. Click enter. Looks like a Japanese diamond. It's a $1 million, 1 million active install. Install active plugin. Okay, the next one I believe is the one we have in our, is a photo gallery which school bought it, and you can go to here. It's called the next game gallery. Make sure it's a zipped file and install it. Active. Okay, the last one. Upload is the same with this, is the plus install. Active plugin. So notice after you install the meta slider and photo gallery, on your dashboard, on your left hand side, it has two little icons being added here. Okay, that is, you are going to use them. Now I come back to my home page. Now I need to turn on save home page. Okay, now I need to wait to finish. Now I need to go back to the settings. Go to the discussion, or go to the reading. Static page, front page, home page, okay? It's automatic to save it. Saved for you already. And let me check. It's wonderful. The home page is there, about us, everything is good. Okay, now we go back here. Appearance. Customize. I noticed before I doing this, I want to put a logo on. Okay, then I click this, go back. Appearance, same setting. In the same settings, the vintage premium same settings, there is a logo image. I just click here. Notice last time we talked about there is a place called media gallery. That's where you're going to load all your images files. Right now, I didn't have anything. Okay, so I will just click here, upload file, select. In the week 11, desktop week 11, I put everything here, all the images I create. That is my logo, the Vintage Acre Farm logo. I upload into the media gallery. I'll test, always need it. Vintage Acres Farm. You can have a description, you can have caption, and you can read the size is 13K, and that's 194 If you want to edit image, you can click here. You can edit image from here, but I'm not going to do that. I just go back to my gallery. You can scale down, you can crop. I'm going to talk about that later. Okay, right now I feel like I'm in the media gallery. I want to actually upload all my images here. This way it's easy for me to use later on. Okay, add new and select the files. Guess what? I'm going to click first and hold down your shift key to the last, select all the files in your image folder and say okay. Going to take a little while, let it upload. In Dreamweaver, we said all the images has to in the same directory, same place, same folder. But WordPress, technically, you don't have to do that. But it's just been very easy for you to have the image in the same folder. This way, you don't have to go to several folders and to look for them and upload on the server. Almost there. Okay, finish upload. That's the bigger logo for the Windy Acre Farm. So I just click it. I'll test. Bigger logo. Okay. And now I go back to the appearance. Same settings. Now I choose image. It's open my media library, very good. And then I click this and oh, this one is a big one, no. Then using the small one, set logo. And the retina logo is the reason I have two logos. I have the bigger one for this, for the high definition. I choose one, normally it's a double size of your original logo. It's a 394, okay, that's good. Set the logo. And the header text, I need their phone number, which is week 11. Open your Word document. And copy this phone number, Apple C, put it here, Apple V. Instead of phone, I say call us. No widgets. Okay, and save Every time, don't forget to save your settings and check. Your logo is there, and there's the phone number. Need a space. Yeah. And the layout has to be responsive layout, and check it. Enable layout bounce for width or box. The difference with this, look, that is the full width. If you see the box, it should be at some space. It's not going to be stretched all the way. Going to see this change. That is called a box. Okay? So for me, I like the full width. It's up to you. And the mesh head layout, default, if you want a logo in menu, which is my website, is like this. Logo in menu. But for my Windy Acre Farm, I want the logo to be up on the top. Okay, so then I don't do the logo in menu. If I do logo in menu, see what happens. This logo is here, is on the menu bar, is on the navigation bar. So you have to change the color. Instead of green, you have to change white to be a lighter color. To against all, you change the navigation bar color to be outstanding. So I will change back to the default mesh head. Okay, everything else is good. I just save. And home. Demo slider. Right now, by default, that is called a slider. We are going to change to our own slider. Next step. Let me just refresh this. Okay. Right now, I just leave it here because we haven't made our slider yet. Navigation, responsive menu text. You can say click me or sticky menu. What is a sticky menu? Sticky menu is that when your bar goes down, your menu always stick on the top, which I feel is very good and save a lot of space, and also is easier for the reader, for your customer to read it. The same here. Once it goes down, your menu, the logo disappeared, but your navigation bar always on the top. Some websites like to put this navigation bar on the bottom, which is also good. So sticky menu actually is the trend for a couple of years already. Search in the menu, display scoot to the top, yes. Post navigation, homepage icon. If you want a homepage icon, you can click this. And the mobile navigation, enable sticky menu. If you want the same effect that happen on you when you use your mobile, you can choose this, use the sticky menu. But for me, I feel like it's already small space. I don't want a sticky menu on my mobile. And mobile menu collapse. What does that mean? That means when I go here, when I use my small device, which is, I think is an iPhone 6, iPhone 4 is a 480 pixel. When you go smaller to the 480, your navigation bar is going to shrink inside here. Okay? That is, you can change the size if you think, okay, I want like 720, 560, up to you. But try to use always the even number. Something can divide into 2, okay? Make sure you save the settings. Blog, if you have a blog, for me, I don't want to have a blog right now. I just leave it. And social, oh, I need to save this. Great. Social, again, I don't want any feedback from outside. I just click this. General, mobile, deactivate, rescale the image. Yes, that's important. You need this. You need this. Okay, very good. I think this we don't need because we downloaded already. Let me close this. And right now we finish all the setting for the pages. We can go back to the customized. That is the latest WordPress adding this. You can add it here, and then we'll add the right hand side, which is kind of like a Dreamweaver, the code wheel, and then the design wheel, the live wheel. This feature, I do like it. You can also change site title here, change your tagline here, same design. Set identity, okay, same design. Font, you can change the body font from here. For instance, if you want to change to Arial. Look, this font been changed. Instead of Heraldica, it been changed to Arial. The site title font, you can change this to Arial as well. Heading title, Arial. You can change the page title size, page title color, which I want a special color to. Remember we talked about a hex color, always has this hex sign on the front. Okay. Publish. And content size, content color, this you can change for, but right now I just want to leave a default. General, menu align left, menu align center. See the menu, remember some student asked me in Dreamweaver, oh, how I can put in the center. In WordPress, you can just one click, that everything goes to center. Who control it? CSS, okay? The background color, okay, I changed to this green color to match my logo better. But I feel like it should be a little darker. Okay, that's better. Let me correct on my sitemap. It should be the 1B5100. Second level background, which means this one. I feel like I want to go to 0D6393. Okay, then that's going to be my second level background. The text, I leave that. However, background, this is blue. Let me see if I want to change to orange. 14905. Okay, I changed to orange, but I feel like that looks a little Halloween-ish. I don't want it. I just want to change to the same color blue, 0D6393. Okay, that's better. Second level, hop over, icon color, current page background, you can change this. Right now, I just want to leave the rest by default.
This looks like a Starbucks.
Save and publish. And go back here and widget. Circle icon widget's background. That's talking about this. If you want to change the color instead of dark gray, if you want to change the same as the one we talked about, 1B5100. Look, it's changed to the green color. Okay. Save and publish. Always save and publish if you're happy with the result. Otherwise, you're going to lose it. Widget page. Match head background. Select the image. I made a background which is this. Okay, add text sky. Choose image. Center it. You can do cover it. Let's see the different. I do like the cover. Okay, just leave this. We're going to cover the whole entire
Wow, it's beautiful.
Page background image. You can add this. You can add this image to your page background as well. Right now, I just want to leave it for the white, like a little clean. And the page background image layout. Okay. And you save and publish. Go back here. Sidebar, that's talking about, later on I'm going to talk about sidebar. Let me double check if everything's good. Arial. Oh, the header padding is this. I feel like this one has a too much paddings. It's a 45 pixels. I don't want this. I kind of feel 20 is good enough. Yep. And if you want to center this logo, very easy. Click it. There you go. Your logo is being centered. Okay. You can say save and publish. Okay, I think I'm good in this and the footer. Oh, the footer color, forgot that. The footer color need to be the same as my navigation bar. Keep it, like I said, make sure you don't have more than 3 main colors that happen on your web page, because that's going to make really dizzy. Okay, the footer color been changed. Okay, let me then finish this and go back here, go back here, go back here. Okay, my next thing is I need to add footer, the copyright widgets. Okay, I'm here. In the footer, I will sidebar, headers, and footer. Right now, I just need a footer. I need to activate this visual editor. Click it and add to footer. And say add widget. And there's a, at the end of this open window, there is a called toolbar toggle. Click this, open more options here. And this is a special character. Remember in Dreamweaver we did this special character? Click this. They have a lot of options. I need a copyright symbol. Very good. Here. Say it all. Copyright reserved by acres farm farm designed by Pink Echo created. Let's see. Okay, then I need this to be centered. Easy. Highlight it. Go to center and say save. Okay, should be good. Let me go to this. Always has two windows open so you can check it. Okay, good. Very good. And this been added on. Okay. And then I feel like, I want to add a social media. What should I do? Okay, go to your plugins. Go to your plugins. Go to this Set Origin Widgets bundle and come here and say Manage Widgets. Because by default, there are some activated, some are not. Google Map, image slider. There's a one called the social media. I need to activate the call to action. The Google Map is good. Editor, image. Yeah, social media button. So you need to activate this because by default it's dim. Okay, activate. And then I come back to my appearance. I come back to my widgets. And then click look for that social media. Look for the social media. Here you go. Click this social media and say add to the footer. Add widget. Okay, very good. Add, select the network. Click this, select network. I believe it's a Facebook. And
I could do that too.
They do have a Facebook URL. Apple C. Facebook URL, Apple V. Okay. Add. Let me see what is their next. YouTube. Okay, they have a YouTube. Add. for YouTube. Should be at the bottom. Yes, YouTube. And copy the link, YouTube link, FC, Apple V, and say save, and check out work. Okay, these two social media be added here. I kind of feel like I want this to be the bottom, okay? I want the social media to be the top. Social media come first. Yeah, social media come first and then this. So if you have more social media, you can also add it there. And that I finished my footer. So I'm coming back to the slider. What I'm going to do is a meta slider. Click this, meta slider. This one is a free. But if you want a more function, then you need to spend $19 and buy it. Create your first slideshow. Click this. And add a slider. I create some sliders. Let's find it. Is this? No. Is this? Yeah, this is one of them. And is this? No. This one? No. Okay, this one first, the slider. Farm will. Okay, this one, add slider, add to slider. And notice this is the size, but you can change it. Add to slider. For me, I changed all my slider size to 1240 by 300. Remember this, and you're going to change that. Pick you own. Okay, add a slider, and I'm going to change 1240 by 300. Effect the fade. You can do others. They have some options, but because it's free, they only has this either fade or slide. Rest you cannot choose unless you pay the $20. Same vintage. Okay, I want this arrow. Okay, and add more slider. I do believe I have more sliders. I create this another one. Apple tree. Okay, add to slider. Okay, add another slider. This one is not. No. Don't think. Yeah, this is the another one. Okay. Children play ground. Okay, add to slider. Okay, I have 4 images. If you want to change, if you want to add a caption, which is good. You can do this. Can do here is 20-acre farm. See up here, 20-acre farm, and just to change some of the wording is environment friendly farm located in this New York. Okay, and the next is pick your own. Flower, fruit, and just you pick in season. Okay, apple C. Just copy it there. In season. Okay, and that's next. Going to say you pick apple. Okay, here. Okay, here. And then the next one is the children place. There are okay, I just type it. I think there is somewhere say in season 2 acres, so we farming local. Okay, there is playground for all the children. Okay, and check this, everything is good and save. After you're done with this, we need to, let's check here. I don't think it's anything going to happen because we haven't set it up yet. So they still have the demo slider. So you can go here and go to appearance, sim setting. Go back here, home, demo slider. Instead of demo slider, you choose a new slider and save settings. That's your slider.
Is that your slideshow anyway?
Mm-hmm. And you can change the size and you can change the wording, everything you can change. And then now we need to go back to the home page. We need to go back to home page and edit those things here. So notice we have a little bit of circle icon here. I want to add image inside those circle icon. How I can do that? Okay, go to your media library.
Okay.
And copy.
Professor, I have a short question.
Copy this URL link. And you go to the page, appearance, home page. and click this circle icon, edit, click this, and icon background color, icon background image URL, that's where you pasted your URL. And the first one I want to see is about us. And the text, I want to put it there. Is this one. And check it in addition. Okay, sentence. Okay, and put this to none. Icon position top, or you can choose bottom, left and right is up to you. Icon size, I like large. And more URL. Start editing, I will say click for more information. Okay, the more URL, I want people click this and go to my about page. How I can do this? Click this and check this where is about us page, and copy this URL from the browser, put it here. Okay, then we see down, save home page. That's the first one. The second one, go to media library, is the same method. Click this image, the peach. I copy this URL. I go back to my home page. Add it. I put in this circle background image, Apple V. This I'm going to say pick your own. I'm going to set this to none. The icon background, no, the text, pick your own. I'm going to say pick your own begins. Okay, this is good paragraph to put it there. Apple V. Okay, put it there. And icon need to be large. Click for more information. And then come back here and click this, pick your own. And select this. Put here, more URL. And check the link title and icon to more URL. Down. Save your home page. And circle icon, edit. Same here. This one I want to say is products. Okay, and then I need to copy some words. Here. And this I set to none. And that I need another image. I go back and this as large, more text, click for more information, and this is the product. Let me find my product page. And save home page. I need to come back to media library, find a product and put it there. I like this apple. Okay, just highlight this. Apple C. I come back to the appearance, home page. Click and put this URL on here. Done. Save home page. And now check it. Goes to home page. Okay.
Oh,
We got everything here.
that's amazing.
Okay, next we are going to the vintage, the headline. Add it. This is, I feel like I want something more, and let me delete this and add widget. Going to add my lovely visual editor and add it. Yes, like this better. Title. It's kind of like a call to action. Visit us at visit us. Okay, I copy this whole thing and paste here. And visit us, I want to add a little the address there, so people when they go to the front page, they will see address. Maybe not here. I will add. I will just see. Okay. Pick your own. Okay. So I need this to be center. Just click this center. I need to be bigger. Remember in the Dreamweaver, we talk about the headings, the CSS. Here, you can change the text color to green or any color you want. And sit down. Save home page. View it and see how it look. Okay, this been added there. I want to add some kind of background there. Also, the same thing here is for the visual look. If you click here, you go back to the code wheel. You can see all here. Okay. If you want to add some inline CSS, that is the place you can do. Or if you want to change color, style color, text align. Here I want to see, I want to add. We don't have any post, so I'm just going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. That was by default, so I'm going to just delete this whole row. Are you sure? Yes, I'm going to delete this whole row. Save home page. Review it. Okay, so my page is end add a call to action. Then I need to add some more information here. How I can do that? Come to appearance and home page, and then say add a row. Here you can add, for instance, I want a 3 row. Look, it's going to have a 3 row. And if you want to change, you can just drag. That's very easy. Just drag and change the proportion. And right now I want 3. I want 3 like this. Say insert. Okay. Look, it's insert here. But I said, okay, no, I want this to be at the bottom. Don't worry, just click this and drag to the bottom. Okay, here and click, and I want to add widget, visual editor, edit, and I go back to I need to add this address there, Apple C. I need to paste here, Apple V. And the same as the Dreamweaver, if you just hit the return, it's give a P, the paragraph space. If you hit shift return, it's give soft break. Okay, I'll say, instead of address, I say visit us, and the phone number, I say call us. Okay, and I will give this, and I give visit us heading 3, call us, the whole thing is a heading 3, and I give visit us the color by clicking this text color. You can do the customer and give this, remember we said the hex color? Yes, that's where we do. 1B5100. Say OK. Notice if you want to check it, click this text. See? That is your style, that is inline. Span style color is this color. So you can also do the same thing here and add this. That is inline CSS. That's the reason we learned that in Dreamweaver before. Okay, I copy here, span, I copied here, I say down, save home page. Okay, and then I want to check it. Okay, visit us, address, and call us the phone number. The only thing is I think it's a little small. I can increase the size a little bit. Click the visual, visit us, heading 2, call us, heading 2, and this paragraph, I want to give heading 4 to make it more substantial. And I say down, save home page, And next, I want to add the YouTube video. So I need to go back to my plugins, install the plugin. I need to add new. Got this. Activate the plugins. Okay. Now we go back to the home page. Yeah. And I will go to the thing we have the YouTube. That's the subdomain. We have the YouTube channel here. Just double check it. When you go to here, click this share. Is copy this link. Apple C. Copy that link. And come back to here. Click add widget. And click YouTube embed. And edit widget title. Windy Acres Farm. And video ID. It's done. Save home page. The last thing here, I'm going to add a picture. Just add a widget. No. Delay. Add widget. Visual editor. Edit. And come to add media. And just select one of the picture, check the size, okay. Give flower, insert to post, okay. Make it center, let's say done, save home page, and check our work. Okay, we got a visit us, we got a YouTube video, we got a little picture here. Okay, so far that is our home page, and then I'm going to the next page. Page all pages. I'm going to contact us. Instead of come to this visual and text, I use a page builder. I really like this function. And I just add a row, add two rows, going to drag it, insert, and add widget, and visual editor, add it. I'm going to use the contact form. And just copy this shortcode here. And then we go back to my contact page. Page builder, add a row, here, insert, add visual editor, edit, copy this shortcode there, down, and update it. Instead of using default template, I'm going to ask them to use the page builder home. After we finish, we come back here. I will click the contact us. There you go. You have a contact form appear here. Okay. Then I'm going to try to add another thing, Google Map. Then you have all those pictures, gallery pictures. And when you click it, it's going to, if the picture is bigger than the thumbnail, it's going to pop up like this. Okay. And then I see I need to add some text. How I can do that? Add a row, 1, insert, edit, and I'm come back to my document. I'll see about us, picking event about us, pick your own. Okay, I'll copy this picking event, that the whole paragraph. Come back here, click here and see add widget, visual editor, edit, copy everything here, picking event. Another thing is if you want to paste as a text, you can do that. Just toggle it and see please, picking event, and heading 2, and give the color the same color as we just set, 1B 5100. Okay. Just delete some extra space. Okay. And now I want to add some picture. How I can do that? Just put your cursor in the position you want to edit and add media. Okay, select this picture and say pick your own. Insert to the page. Okay, and this I want to be to the left. You can just click this. That is good. Okay. They change the CSS for you and sit down and update it. Let's review it.
Wow.
The same as we just said, if you want to change this order, easy, just drag and put on top. Update it. Review it. Okay, so So the text is on the top. The image gallery is at the bottom now. All right. So we're good here. Okay, that's basically, we created 3 pages. It's including the home page, which is the most work we need to do. And then we did contact us by using the contact form 7. And we did the picking your own page, which we add a next king gallery, we add a text. So the other pages are almost the same, exactly the same as those you use page builder, visual editor to add images and the text. And that's basically it for WordPress.